What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. LaDonnaJay here, and today I have my first holiday look for you guys. I'm starting off this season with green. This eye is super easy, super affordable. I got inspired from Katie. She did a emerald green eyeshadow look and I was like, oh, that's cute. So I decided to recreate it and put my own little twist on it. You guys, this look was super easy. When I say super easy, I kid you not, I used like 3 products and it took me like 5 minutes just to do this simple green wing. I don't even know. I was playing around with it, seeing what I wanted to do, and then I came up with this and I was like, yes. So I'm going to show you guys how I created it and how I put my twist on it. If you guys want to see how I do this eye to look like this, stay tuned and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload, and hit that subscribe button as well while you guys are at it. I would love to have you a part of my family. Yes. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. So I'm going to start off priming my eye. I don't use an eyeshadow primer. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee, and I'm going to use this to prime my eye. I did my eyebrows off camera just because they take me like 30 minutes just to do them. So I did them off camera. I will be doing an eyebrow tutorial, guys. I promise you. We'll probably squeeze it in one of these holiday looks. Show you how I do my eyebrows. And I'm just blending this out with a beauty blender. So I just set my concealer with my powder. So I'm going in with this eyeliner pencil. It's from Jordana in the color Sea Green. So now I'm going in with NYX's Dance the Tide in my crease, and this is going to be my transition color. That's going to make that green pop. You'll see it toward the end. And then I'm going to go in with Jordana's Sea Foam Green eyeliner. But I forgot, first we have to put tape. Put tape to make your edge sharp. This is what's going to give you that edgy look. It's going to make your eyeshadow different, super edgy, super cute, different for the holidays. So I'm just going in and I'm outlining my eyelid shape, and then I'm going to extend it as if I was doing a liquid wing eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with that Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place in the color Egypt in the center of my eye. That's what's gonna give you your glitter, what's gonna give you your pop. And this brush is dry, you guys. This is not a wet brush or anything like that. This is dry. This is the color. So beautiful. And now I'm going in back with that Jordana color, and I'm going to darken the inner corner and the wing. It's going to give you that gradient effect, like ombre. Super beautiful. Gives it like a transitional type of a color. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just darkening that inner and the outer corner and sharpening up my wing. Then I'm going to take the tape off. Don't use surgical tape, you guys, but it was the only thing I had. Use like a regular tape. Look at that. Ooh, I can cut somebody. Yes. Now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the color 8. I don't recommend this if you have oily skin, guys. I really don't, because it has a satin finish and we need matte if you're oily. But I'm just going to go in and blend that out. So yeah, it's just going to give you a satin dewy look, but you're just going to really have to set your under eyes. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee, and I'm going to highlight my under eyes as well as the center of my nose. And then I'm going to bake with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm really going to bake because of that Juvia's Place concealer is a satin, and I don't want my makeup to crease, especially if you're going to like a holiday party or anything like that. So I'm really going to set and I'm going to bake for a while. Then I'm going to wipe it away with my powder foundation, which is the L'Oreal True Match in the color Cocoa. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. Don't mind the white cast, you guys. I'm still figuring out my lighting. Don't judge me. So it's going to look like I have a white cast, but I don't. And then I'm bronzing up my face with the Phenom by Morphe. I'm going to bronze up my cheeks and my nose to put some color back into my face. Snatch the nose. And for my lips, I use Kylie Cosmetics True Brown K and Dolce K. Yeah, I think that's it. That is the final look, you guys. What do you think? I absolutely love it. I'm so happy on the way it came out. It actually turned out pretty nice. Go ahead, Ladonna. I see you, D. Bitch, what? Let me know if you guys like this. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification bell as well. That rhymed. But yes, this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It'll mean the world to me, you guys. And until my next one, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.